This is the SmallRig Creator Toolkit, designed in collaboration with Andyax, and I want to present you what is in this box. But first, let me show you the box. It's a big ABS box, very strong with good materials, and it's fully packed of accessories, especially for filmmaking, but also you can use lots of them for photography. So let's see what you get with this box that can be a great present for someone who is starting a YouTube channel, or for a filmmaker, or for a photographer. Here you can write your name so you can identify your toolkit. So I've opened the case and we are able to see here that we have a clean lens kit. So we have the dust blower and also we have a lens pen. Let's look a little at this lens pen. So you have this tip that is very usable to clean especially EVFs and also lenses, especially on the edges. And also you have this little brush that will help you get rid of the dust and speckles. So we are able to see that also we have a modular design. Here you can put a SmallRig battery that I understand it's very good. Also you have lots of accessories in this box. So this is very cool because you have all that you need to help you with your gear. In total, I understand you have here 13 accessories. So we have here cloths to clean up the lenses, and here we have different separators for your tools. So you can customize the interior however you want. Next, what I really like for photographers is that you have here a SmallRig case for SD cards. It is very cool. So you can put here your SD cards. Very cool. I always wanted such a protective cover for my SD cards. Next, you have gaffer tape, I understand, for marking different spots where you are filming, and also black tape. Next, you have here all the screws and little screws and all kinds of screws for your camera cages and gear that you may need on the set. Very cool little box with all the screws that you can want and use. Now let's look at the top of this toolkit box. So this is the top, and you are able to see that here it is it's SmallRig and Andyax. It's a known YouTuber, and here you have a very cool accessory, this screwdriver by SmallRig, where you have plenty of screwdriver and screw tips, so you can screw whatever you want and unscrew whatever you want. This toolkit is very cool because you also have a flat head, so you can screw on and unscrew quick release plates and so on. So it's a very handy kit. Also you have these holes for screwing and unscrewing different pieces of gear. Very cool. Here you have wrenches key and here a dual wrench key, so all you need to operate. And more than that, here you have a folder, and in that folder what is very cool is that you have other 3 accessories. So you have a sticker to write your name on the toolbox. You have a short HDMI cable, very cool that they've decided to include an HDMI cable, and also you have some Velcro tapes, so you can set up your wires and use these tapes for wire management. So in conclusion, an ultra useful kit for organizing your accessories. So very useful in studio, or if you are a filmmaker and you move from set to set, this will really help you be organized. Also, this is a great gift for someone who is just beginning filmmaking, or a podcast or a YouTube channel, for helping him or her to be organized in the studio. This is very useful because you can put here all the accessories that you use and find them when you need them. Very useful, because unfortunately if you aren't organized, you lose lots of time setting up things, even if you are just a YouTuber that is filming himself. So overall, a great toolbox from SmallRig and Andyax. I'm really liking what they've did, and I think it's very useful for a beginner or for someone who wants a great toolbox to organize their stuff. So if you are intrigued about this toolbox and what it's inside, check the product links and the affiliate links from Amazon and SmallRig. Thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.